This is the summary created from the video. Lecture 42 AWT Programming III. The Java AWT package facilitates event handling for window programs and GUI components, where events are generated by user interactions such as clicking buttons or typing keys. These events are categorized as foreground GUI events, specific to components like buttons or checkboxes, or background system events, with dedicated classes like action event or mouse event to capture event details. Java provides listener interfaces like action listener or component listener that define abstract methods to implement the logic for handling various GUI events. For instance, the mouse listener and motion listener interfaces handle mouse events like clicks, drags, and movements, automatically creating mouse event objects with relevant information. A practical example is the Scribble applet, where the mouse pressed and mouse dragged methods handle mouse events, allowing users to draw lines by clicking and dragging the mouse. Keyboard event handling involves key pressed, key released, and key typed events, with key objects providing methods to retrieve the character and ASCII value of the key pressed. The key listener interface defines a method to handle key events, which can be registered with the addKeyListener method, enabling programs to promptly respond to user input. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.